Yo, the Darion 123 here, coming at you with an unboxing window with sandpaper. Alright, I just got it, brand new. Now we're going to open it. Easy to open. Got it from nowhere. Yeah, just take a piece out. Gave me 12 sheets with it. As you know, Vicious 274 says that. And there we go. Some sandpaper. Place it on the board. And the thing about it, it's golden. Very good grip. Yeah. There we go. It says on the back, sandpaper number 6. And made in China. I got this from the dollar store. 2 events came with 12 sheets. I'll tell you how it works out. Peace fingerboard 2 fingers, as this is 274 says. Fingerboard 2 fingers. Peace. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you.